guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are going to for a shoot. So I'll go and dress up quickly and I'll see you in a bit. I'm waiting for the bus and I don't know what's going on because the bus is not arriving. I can see the bus coming. So I'm gonna hop on the bus. Eldon, they're already waiting for me at Hounslow West Station. Once we meet them, I'm sure Eldon and Vanya are pretty mad at me. No explanation, I have nothing to say. I'm just so sorry guys for delaying you today.
Yeah.
Eldon was late today again.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Babe, are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired, but the t-shirt makes me look fresh.
I'm wearing this camera.
So she's wearing a red top. I don't know if it's maroon. I think it's maroon. And a Nike bag, sling bag. She's looking hot, I should say.
So we have come now to Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square. I can never pronounce it. My pronunciations have turned out so bad at the moment. Eldon has started his shot.